Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tonneau covers for Toyota Tundra that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the H-Direct 5.5 FT roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, compatible with 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. This option is the budget-friendly choice on our list, priced at $154.99. Let's dive into the details. The H-Direct cover boasts heavy-duty construction, using weather-resistant materials that shield your truck bed from rain, snow, and harmful UV rays. Its roll-up mechanism is designed for fast and easy access to your truck bed, making it a practical choice for those frequently loading or unloading cargo. The snug fit enhances your truck's appearance while offering reliable protection, and its locking system adds an extra layer of security for your belongings. Additionally, its low-profile, aerodynamic design helps improve fuel efficiency while giving your Toyota Tundra a sleek, modern look. While this cover provides solid protection and functionality at a budget price, it does have some limitations. The materials are durable, but may feel lighter compared to premium options, and its ideal use case is for casual users who don't require heavy-duty performance. Overall, the H-Direct 5.5 FT roll-up tonneau cover is a great entry-level pick for those looking to enhance their truck bed functionality without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Dynasty soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, compatible with 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra models with a 5.5 feet bed. This cover offers excellent protection and a sleek matte black finish, but comes with a slightly higher weight and price category. The Dynasty cover is made from durable vinyl material and features adjustable tension and rubber weather seals to protect your truck bed from various climate conditions. It includes elastic straps that secure the cover in the rolled-up position, making it convenient for cargo access. The Velcro edges provide reliable security by sealing against your truck bed, ensuring your belongings are safe and concealed. Additionally, the aerodynamic design helps improve your truck's fuel efficiency while adding a stylish touch. However, professional installation is recommended, which might be a downside for DIY enthusiasts. It's a solid option for truck owners who prioritize protection and style but are willing to invest a bit more effort during installation. If you're looking for a dependable tonneau cover with premium features, the Dynasty soft roll-up tonneau cover is worth considering. At number 3, we have the Qualency car cover custom fit for Toyota Tundra, which offers full exterior coverage and unparalleled all-weather protection. While it's not a traditional tonneau cover, it's a great alternative for those seeking comprehensive protection for their truck. This truck cover is custom designed to fit Toyota Tundra models from 2007 to 2024, making it highly versatile. It features a 6-layer composite material that withstands sun exposure, rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions. With reinforced stitching and windproof straps, it's built to stay secure even in strong winds. This cover also includes a convenient zipper for easy access to your vehicle, and its lightweight design allows for fast installation and compact storage. While it excels in outdoor protection and durability, it may not be suitable for users who need regular bed access or prefer a lower-profile tonneau cover. The Qualency truck cover is perfect for long-term storage or outdoor use, especially for truck owners who prioritize complete vehicle protection over bed-specific functionality. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Tyger Auto T1 soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, designed for 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra models with a 6.5 feet bed. This cover stands out with its U.S. patented design and premium materials. The Tyger Auto T1 features dual-coated marine-grade vinyl supported by built-in horizontal crossbars, ensuring durability and structural integrity. The aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps provide robust mounting, while the Velcro strips and latch lock system offer excellent security and weather resistance. The tension system allows users to keep the vinyl wrinkle-free in any weather condition. Installation is straightforward and drill-free, with all instructions and hardware included. While this cover provides exceptional durability and security, it requires minor modifications for vehicles with over-the-bed rail bedliners, which may deter less experienced users. With a limited lifetime warranty and top-notch user ratings, the Tyger Auto T1 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable combination of durability, convenience, and style. Taking the top spot at number 1, we have the LEER HF650M quad folding truck bed tonneau cover. Compatible with 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra models, this tonneau cover is a premium pick that offers advanced functionality and superior build quality. The LEER HF650M features a quad-folding design, allowing quick and easy access to your truck bed while maintaining maximum security. With its robust construction, this cover is built to withstand the toughest weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and heavy-duty users. The sleek black finish enhances your truck's aesthetics, while the low-profile design improves aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Additionally, LEER's track system compatibility ensures it integrates seamlessly with your truck's existing setup. The only downside is its premium price point, which starts at $1,127. However, for users who demand the best in terms of durability, style, and functionality, the LEER HF650M is worth every penny. It's the ultimate choice for Toyota Tundra owners seeking top-tier performance and protection. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.